Hey guys, in today's video we will do some experiment of breaking or opening the eggs under the pool. So right now we are breaking the egg using my fingers, and let's make it upside down so it's totally removed from its shell. It's kind of cool because everything in it's like contracted. The good thing of this is the eggs or the yolk is not spreading, or it's like a soft ball that's just float in the water. And now I'm losing my breath, so I will just get up, get some air. So this is what it looks like if you break or open the eggs under the pool. And I will say goodbye to this egg, and I hope the pool gets the nutrients in this egg. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching, and God bless.